Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer 16 ampere smart plug. There's an image of the smart plug right over here. This is a 16 ampere smart plug. So the idea is that you can plug it anywhere in the house and then connect it via Wi-Fi. This can connect over 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi. Over here there's some specifications are mentioned on this side. It says the rating is 240 volts, which is pretty standard for most households. Model number is SP1, and do we have anything else? Okay, you have to download Smart Life app from Google Play and App Store to make this device work properly. Some more smart features are mentioned here. Control electrical appliances via app/phone, set up on-off schedule, monitor energy consumption of your devices, control electrical appliances via voice, which means that this particular device supports Alexa and Google Assistant. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what you find inside the box. This is what the smart plug looks like. This is a 16 ampere smart plug, which means this can support 16 ampere fast charging. There is a 3-pin socket over here, as you can see, and this will also require a 3-pin power source in order to operate. Rating is 240 to 50 Hz, which once again standard for most households, most Indian households, and 16 ampere resistive, that's the highest it will go. And not just that, this is made out of ABS plastic material, white ABS plastic material, and also notice the on-off button right on top. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Hammer 16 ampere smart plug. Thank you for watching.